let's just talk about, why is sauerkraut such an easy and flavorful, like, probiotic food that you really need to add to your system? Like, how does it improve your digestion, boost your immune system, like help with brain function? What is it actually doing?
Well, you have to, first of all, when you're adding sauerkraut to your diet, you have to make sure you are getting the naturally fermented sauerkraut. Most of the sauerkraut that we see on the store shelves will be found down the aisles in a can, and that is not going to be full of the probiotics. Naturally fermented sauerkraut, you either learn to make it yourself, or it's found in the refrigerated sections of the supermarkets, and it'll say raw or unpasteurized on it. And that sauerkraut is full of probiotics and enzymes, and they all help for gut health. And I think it's 2007, it was the Human Microbiome Project, where they looked at the gut health of individuals and mapped it all out. And since that time, I really discovered how important what we eat is and how it impacts our gut health. And if your gut is working properly, then you have good energy. The foods you eat, you're extracting all the nutrients out of it. When you ferment sauerkraut, you're increasing the vitamin C content, you're making the nutrients more bioavailable, and your brain is functioning better. All sorts of things can go on. You can lose weight easier because the foods, when you're eating fermented foods, they have a savory umami taste to them and are more satisfying, so you tend to eat less. But it's just by adding the fermented foods and a variety of fermented foods, sauerkraut is a great one to start with because it is easy to make and it can be added to any meal. But by adding these variety of fermented foods, you're adding in probiotics, and those help with the gut lining, help give you a good gut health.